Hello friends, welcome back to channel. So today we will discuss about one more thing. This is my virtual machine, input, keyboard, insert, control, delete. Okay, this is a normal thing we are doing in a Windows to get the password prompt, but in Linux if you are doing control, delete, system got rebooted. See, there's a problem with Redhat. Pressing Ctrl or Delete will reboot the machine. That's the by default feature of Redhat. But in a server center or data center, when we are working on a different machine like Windows and the Linux, by mistaken we used to enter Ctrl Delete and system will get reboot. If it is a production server, then that will be revenue impacting and people might lose their job. I have seen this thing. By mistaken someone rebooted the production machine and after that they have been removed from the project. So as a system administrator you should know, never send the control delete, but sometime you're not able to understand and by mistaken you will do that. So how to stop this thing? Okay, so in RHL 7 we are having one file ls-l/usr lib system under system you will have ctrl-alt-del.target. If you see this file, it is a link file as is showing L, the starting is linked to reboot target. Okay, so that's why it is keep on rebooting. Now we will change the link ln-sf/df null and this path. Okay, so what we do /usr lib system ctrl-alt-del.target. So what we did, instead of reboot we have redirected to dev null. So now even though we'll send input, keyboard, insert, control, delete, system will not boot. See, system is running, it's not rebooting because this signal is going to dev and null. Dev null means nothing is doing. We have executed one command ln-sf. Okay, we'll discuss on this command, but for now, earlier when we are making a control or delete, system was getting reboot due to this file is representing to and referring to reboot target. Now we have created soft link to redirect this file to dev null. So it will not execute anything. This how you can, so if someone send a control delete, system will not reboot. So that's the important lesson. I put all the things in a comment box. Hope you like this video and it's adding value to your knowledge. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Bye bye.